When running a business, you need to constantly turn out engaging content. Be it website content emails, ad copies, blogs, or social media posts. The demand never stops, and let's not forget, it has to be high quality, plagiarism-free, SEO-friendly, and engaging. But what if there was a tool that could do all this heavy lifting for you? Meet GravityWrite the AI power writing tool that's about revolutionize your content creation process. GravityWrite is a kit with over 80 writing tools, capable of crafting everything from compelling blogs, ad copies, email, social media posts, and so much more. It's supposed to attain content categories and work seamlessly in more than 50 languages, just like what you want to create. Provide some context and let AI do the rest. Whether you're a blog writer, a marketer, an e-commerce owner, or an entrepreneur, GravityWrite is designed to deliver high-quality, lasers of the SEO-friendly, and engaging content tailored to your needs. And the best part, you can start for free. GravityWrite is not just a writing tool, but a comprehensive content creation suite. In short, GravityWrite is here to simplify your content creation, saving your time and effort while ensuring high quality. Why wait? Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to endless creativity. Create your free account now and let GravityWrite take your content writing to the next level. GravityWrite. Let us do the writing so you can focus on innovating.